Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. Hope you're having a great day. Today I am going to be doing a review of a new product called Orbit. Or if you're watching this a few months later after I launched this, it's a product called Orbit. First off, if you like videos about making money online or videos about software that's coming out to help you make money online, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, give a comment, and I'll respond to you. Okay, so what is Orbit? Orbit is basically YouTube training, guys. It's a very, very cool YouTube training product. And what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through. Actually, there's a demo video, but you know what? I'm going to walk you through the back office so you can see and what it is. I'm using a lot of the stuff that they're implementing in here, and there's also some stuff that I learned that's very cool. Actually, two of my videos just went from just like I average anywhere from 30 to 50 views of my videos. I've just got a couple of videos that just started, 100 views, and that's implementing some of this really cool stuff that they're teaching in here. So that being said, it's a pretty cool case study. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at my bonus pages, because I actually put a really nice bonus package together for you guys if you do happen to want to pick this up with my link down below. And then we're going to walk through the back office, and we'll take a look at the sales page, and we'll look at the OTOs. And stick around to the end, because I've got a couple tips for you about YouTube that I've learned on my YouTube journey. What I'm doing that's working really well, but it's probably going to be in this training as well. But we can look at that. So first off, let's go over to my bonus page. This is my mega bonus page. And let's see. So you want to make money from videos, skyrocket your earnings. So this bonus page is going to be good for 4 days, guys. You're going to get it. One of my offers is actually going to just be on launch. That is the Nova bonus. It's going to be on the first 12 hours of launch. But you know what, guys? Message me. If you message me and write me a really nice email, I'll see what I can do. All right, so this is going to talk about what is Orbit, and then the first one we're going to give you is the lockdown formula. This is Jonah Armstrong's really cool, really quick training on how to make money online during the pandemic. Really awesome product. I like it. I own it. It's a good one. We're going to do 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. So one of the things about doing YouTube is that you got to make thumbnails all the time, guys, or you can hire someone on Fiverr to do it. But once you start getting your style, you sometimes you run out of ideas, and this is a great way to get instant design inspiration. Next, we're going to get 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So important, guys. So what happens, and this is so key, when you do a video, you want to get someone onto your email list. That is the purpose of your video. This video, guys, to be honest, yes, it's to sell some products, but it's also, and to review the product for you, but it's also to get some people onto the email that are going to buy the product through my link. That's kind of reality to it. So you want to have 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. And guys, if you're making videos not collecting emails, you're missing a majority of the money you're going to be making using video marketing. Here's the 12 hours, the first 12 hours, guys. This is the full suite of Nova. I was giving away Nova just the front end before. This is the entire suite. This is TikTok madness, guys. You want this course. This is a $300 value. Definitely want that. And then your special bonuses for taking action today. You get all the vendor bonuses, and we'll get into that, what they are in the on the sales page. And guys, as always, I don't want you, if you don't buy it today, I don't want you to go away empty-handed. I want you to download my free 6-figure blueprint checklist. So make sure you just scroll to the bottom. If you're like, I don't want that training, Glenn, click this. It's free 6-figure training. It's yours. It'll show you exactly how to get started in affiliate marketing like that. All right, guys. All right, so we are going to jump over to the sales page. Take a look at the sales page. It's actually, what I like about their sales page, guys, is it's really simple. There's not a ton of the kind of, we're getting used to these really long form sales pages where they're almost cookie cutter. They're all the same. And this is very simple, guys. They just basically give you, no prior experience, without technical knowledge, step-by-step training, free software, results, money back guarantee. It's by Justin Chase with Bill Lang, Sarab, and Sid Red. And basically, guys, it's YouTube training. They go down, they talk about their, like, how would you be making $3,500 a month every 30 days just for making videos. Pretty cool. Or $2,100. Like this is some, they're making some good cash, guys. $288 a day. This is six figures. $288 a day is a six-figure income. So that's basically it. Really simple. Tell you what you get, and then they have the bonuses. Profit abundance, 40 headquarter products to give away, so you can give away all these really cool products for bonuses, which I give away bonuses, guys. You'll have access to bonuses to give away, especially when you start making videos. Grow your YouTube channel and build your email list. This is the tube booster, absolute profits. Rinse and repeat, sneaky formula for getting buyers, traffic, and easy recurring commissions. Bonus number 4 is how to get free traffic, leads, and sales before a product launches. Because there's something in this product that's really cool. And then 3,003 days, get access to the entire course, which is cool. Another bonuses you're going to get, guys. And the front end price is, where is the front end price? I'll just go back up. I think it's $17. $12.95, guys. $12.95 for the front end price. So, and then the first upsell is $17. And that is a 2 secret hacks. It's a downsell of 12. So if you go to leave the screen, guys, you get it for 12. Astra, you get to resell this for and keep commissions on the whole funnel. So for $27, you sell this once, you make all the money on it. And then the last upsell is Falcon, and you actually get to create a product with these guys, which is pretty cool. Is it a big ticket? Yeah, it's $9.97. Or if you do the sneaky, go to scroll off, you're going to save $500. How do you do it? You I think the discount. Just check read all the things on the discount. They're going to help you build your own product. They're going to do all the work. They're going to pay for the professional copy, the sales copy, the designs, and you keep 100% of the buyer's leads, and you also get 20% of the profits. So let's say it profits $1,000, maybe it profits $2,500. Who knows what your first product might bomb, or your first product might sell 1,000 copies, and you might go crazy having 20% of that. You don't know until you make your first product. So let's jump over to the back office here. So this is what the members area is going to look like, guys. You just log in. You're going to get a welcome video from Justin, sorry. And so basically he gives you a welcome video, and then he talks about the new algorithm. So as you know, Google owns YouTube, and Google's always changing their algorithm because people try to basically crack the code. Well, he's figured out the algorithm, and it's going to show you how to get the videos ranked. So that's a training right there. Rank booster, the importance of keywords and tags. A lot of people don't even use keywords and tags. Super important, guys. I make sure that all my videos have keywords and tags. vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These are two softwares that they're Chrome extensions that help you they sort of point to you what's going on with your video and how to make it better. So they give you training on those. I personally use vidIQ. I know a ton of people that use TubeBuddy. They're kind of the same. They do pretty much the same thing. They just do it a little slightly differently. Your click-through rate, which is your CTR, and title. Your title is so important, guys. And just little things like here's a little free tip, guys. When you start making a video, one of the most important things you do is you name your video file is the same name as your title that's going on YouTube. It's also, you use that same name as your thumbnail, right? So you name your image the same title. So all three things, right? Your video, like when it's sitting on your computer, it should say, right, YouTube algorithm in 2021, how the YouTube algorithm works. That's what your video name is. So when you upload it, it automatically takes that name and it makes the title of it. And that's what you want to keep, because that video actually is helping you rank, because it's a relevant name to the title of your video. Also your thumbnail. So there's give me a thumbs up for that one. A thumbnail is really important. Audience retention and video quality. Guys, you want to keep your audience on as long as possible. Little things like, hey, stick around to the end and I'm going to show you really something cool. And really, stick around to the end, I'm going to show you something cool. And little things like that. And, and also, like, this is a great time, guys. You know what? Stop trying to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. The little things like that. You just want to keep retention. So you need to, in your presentation, you need to be leading people on and bringing them on. So this is going to be a really good training. This is actually a great training on the retention. Rocket launch. So they're going to talk about embedding your video in social media, building your email list, the importance of your end screen, your cards. If you don't know what cards are, guys, it's those little things up in the corner when you're watching a video. If you're watching this video, go up to the little eye in the top right corner, and you're going to see my cards. Backlinks, they actually have a software for backlinks. So they're gonna blast your video out to access the software there for the backlinks. They're going to talk about launch jacking, exactly what I'm doing right now. There's a product coming out, right? So I'm making a review video for it. So when the product comes out, someone gets an email about, Orbit, they're going to go Google Orbit review or what's Orbit about, and hopefully they come across my video, and if they like my review, they're going to buy it. That's called launch jacking, and they give the whole course for you to show you exactly how it's done, because there's a ton of little things that you got to do to make it work really well. And they've got a case study from real users, and then they've got their upgrades, which we already talked about, being able to build your own product, and then the bonuses, which we talked about as well. So that is the Orbit review, guys. So what do I think about the product? I've looked at about 3 of the videos in the back training. High caliber stuff, guys. This is the kind of training that you need if you want to be successful on YouTube. Now remember, this is really, really important. A lot of views is important, but having quality views is even better. So, you can make sales with just 30 or 40 views. Almost all of my videos make a sale or 2 or more, just from being on there. But the other thing they do is if you notice below, guys, there's 2 other links below the video for whatever video I'm reviewing. There's 2 other links that people can click on. People click on those every single day. I get probably anywhere from 15 to 25 people onto my email list with a video that only has 35, 40 views. So it's pretty cool, because I'm tracking in my links, right? So it's pretty cool that just having a few views, getting that many opt-ins. Now think about, you take that to the next level. You take it to organically ranking, all that stuff. You take it up to 200, 400, 2,000, 4,000 views. Think how many people are going to be joining your email list, and that's why it's so important to do video marketing. So just a little heads up on that. So do I recommend it? Yeah. Like, guys, if you can get training on YouTube, which is the 2nd largest search engine, then I highly recommend picking this up. Just pick up the front end, go through the course, start making your videos. Now you can make videos without even being on the screen, guys, right? Like I could actually play a video, or I could go to the screen, and I could turn this guy off, right? I could just be talking over and like, hey, here's the back office. We're gonna go through. Welcome. You could do that. You could also basically, now I lost my video. You could also hire people on Fiverr to do a where's my video here? Sorry, guys. You could also hire people on Fiverr to do the voiceover for you. Or there's AI now which will take everything that's written and will read it out for you. But I'm telling you, if you want to be serious, you want to go like really do it, you got to get in front of the camera. You got to get out of your comfort zone. You got to start making your own videos. Look at, I've got my hair coming out because I'm into the barber, all this crazy stuff. It's be real, talk to people, and you will have success. Learn what to do. Grab this training, learn what to do, get comfortable in front of the camera. Are your first videos going to suck? Yep, they're going to suck bad. It's just reality. But you just keep doing it. You're going to get better and better and better. So I highly recommend Orbit. Grab it from the link below. Grab my bonuses. Make sure you do pick up those. They'll be delivered with your receipt when you get access to your product. You'll see your bonuses. They'll be right there. And I hope you really enjoy this training. I think it's going to be really worthwhile, especially if you're an affiliate marketer trying to break through all the crap. So hit the subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Also, if you do purchase through my link, I'm going to send you some extra stuff in my welcome email. So you'll get even some more goodies from me. So you definitely want to pick it up. All right, guys, this has been Orbit Review, Demo, Walkthrough, Tutorial for the product Orbit, which is YouTube training. So Orbit Review. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.